家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
What's up? What's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係美嘉。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。所有的交通工具里面啊，我觉得坐飞机是最兴奋的，
因为都是出去玩，
对，要出去玩，要出国了，这样子也有可能出差了啊。We're talking about transportation this whole month, and one important means of transportation is the airport and airplane. 飞机场 how do you say that?
飛機場。
飛機場 that is an airport. 那桃園機場呢是台灣國際線的飛機場。The Taoyuan Airport is Taiwan's international airport.
桃園機場。
桃園機場
係台灣比國際航線嘅。
係台灣比國際航線嘅
飛機場。
飛機場哦，就是飛國際線的飛機場。OK， 國際就是國際 that is international. How about this? 台風天的時候啊，總會讓飛機場航班大亂 right? When there's a storm or typhoon approaching, things get messed up, schedules get messed up at the airport.
北風踩時會本。
北風踩時會本。
機場嘅航班。
機場嘅航班。
咩都混混插插。
咩都混混插插。
對。
混混插插很亂的意思嗎？
就是紛紛擾擾的，用疊字來強調。
對，疊字。So that means very messy. The schedule got very messy. Okay, let's review some of the phrases we brought up that might be practical, including an international line, 國際線。
國際航線。
國際航線。And then a typhoon.
風采。
風采，颱風。然後飛機場又怎麼說呢？
飛機場。
飛機場 again, that is an airport. So there you have it, learning a lot of these great phrases to use when you're on the go. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.